Hello everyone. Today I have a pleasure of sharing the incredible journey of T.R. Ramchandra with all of you. From humble beginnings to leading a diverse conglomerate, his story embodies resilience, innovation, and steadfast commitment to his father's legacy. His passion for construction and entrepreneurship was evident early on. He finished his bachelor's in civil engineering in BIT College of Engineering, Bangalore. As we go deeper into T.R. Ramachandra's narrative, we can able to see a lot of determination, adaptability, and sincerity towards his passion. Now it's my privilege to invite you all in celebrating through his incredible journey and share some of his experiences with us. Let's dive into the exciting journey of Ram sir and discover more about his incredible story. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Could you please walk us through by completing your BE in Civil Engineering to taking over the complete business responsibility of Shilpa Group in 2013?
Well, as a young boy, I just did my schooling wherever my parents asked me to. I completed my schooling in Coherence Children's Home, then my PU in Vijaya College. Then I went to Bengaluru Institute of Technology where I completed my civil engineering. Then after that, it was just that I joined my father because he was already an established civil contractor. So that is how my journey started. And as you see today, now we have progressed so much and this is it.
Okay. How did your education at BIT College of Engineering in Bangalore prepare you for the challenges you faced in
See,
construction
BIT
industry?
College of Engineering is only a technical engineering college where they teach you only about the technical course of the BE civil construction. As such, there is no other education that is imparted to you as like a MBA degree where you get to address forums, make speeches, you have the stage, you conquer the stage fear, you are independent. So those things were not there. It was just a conventional college. And I just completed my BE Civil Engineering, and I would say in terms of education, it was a good college. And I just completed my education from Bangalore Institute of Technology and joined my father.
Okay. So what motivated you to join your father's legacy after completing your degree?
My father was an established civil contractor by then. He was one of the good contractors and the big contractors in Bangalore. We were doing projects for Brigade, Prestige, and other big developers. So I just knew that my father was doing good, and I just said to myself that I don't have to try anything new, and I just joined my father. This is how it has been continuing. I mean, I've continued with my father's footsteps, and we're growing.
So do you have any passion towards construction industry also?
Definitely, I have a lot of passion. It is imbibed in me. We are now a 45-year-old construction company. After my father passed away, we have definitely grown in terms of volumes, in terms of quality, in terms of green building concepts. So we are definitely getting ourselves educated every day, and we want to do better things and also prove ourselves that we are one of the good contractors.
How do you navigate the transition of taking over this company's responsibility?
Well, I was under my father's shadow. I grew up. I completed my engineering in 2000, and good 12 years I was with my father. So when he passed away in 2013, only then I had to step into his shoes. By then I had understood the basics of the construction, had the field experience. I myself was a civil engineer, and I had experience at site level, at office level. And with all that experience, it was not very difficult for me to manage the company. And slowly I could take up all the jobs, whatever my father had left. And this is how we have continued and established ourselves.
Did he ever walk through this journey of construction business when he was there, like
Not
in your
really,
childhood?
not really. It's just that I was started working in the company like one of my other employees. So I was not given a special privilege as a son. I just had to learn things from the grassroots level, and I slowly progressed, and one fine day I've reached here.
Awesome, sir. Could you please share some of your key milestones and achievements you have accomplished in this Shilpa Group?
Yes, definitely. I would say my father had done the majority of it, all the accomplishments, setting up from the initial brick by brick. He had put up a big company as such. For me, from there, definitely I had put in some efforts. We were the first ones to do a big mall as a independent contractor. The Forum Mall that is there in Whitefield by Prestige is done by us. That is a feather in our cap. Then one of the key buildings is the Microsoft building on Outer Ring Road. So we were the contractors to develop Microsoft building for Microsoft in Bangalore, and that's a 1 million square foot plus project for as an office building. So then this is as per the contract, as far as the contract is concerned. As Shilpa, we have also done our own projects. We have put up a school in Whitefield. We have done some warehousing in Hoskote, then couple of residential projects, an IT building in Electronic City. So definitely with a lot of passion, we are doing all these things, and we are there in the market, and we want to establish ourselves in the market, and this journey will continue with a lot of passion and endeavor. This is what I want to do.
As the only son of visionary businessman late Mr. Tallama Rajan, how do you approach carrying forward his legacy while innovating and adopting to new changes as well?
See, as a only son, that question of only son or daughter, I don't believe in that. It's just that my father had done few things. Probably he had put everything in place, and I would say those days, probably 20 years back, there was no technology. Whatever technology was available, he has done to his best of his knowledge and ability. Now today we are only talking of technology, and everything is based on technology, artificial intelligence, and so on and so forth. Now, being in this generation, definitely I want to implement all of those in our construction field and see that I take it much beyond from whatever my father had left, and we are trying to do that, and this is a continuous journey, and it will continue to happen.
Okay, so do you face more challenges in case of, changing into new trends?
Of course, I think challenges in the sense, until you are acquainted and you have some decent knowledge about it, challenges will be there. But once probably you have acquired, you have worked on it, you have experienced it, you're on it, and you're focused, your passion, then probably over a period of time you will not feel that pinch and the heat, and that is adaptation, and that will happen to any human. I think that is my gut feeling.
Okay. Shilpa Group has diversified into various sectors like alumination, B2B construction, materials, and much more. So, how do you ensure coherence and synergy into all these different sectors while also make sure to provide excellence and focus on each area?
See, for any business, the fundamentals remain the same. So, fundamental as a company owner, I am the same leader for all these companies, and I have put forth so many things, probably SOPs, I would say, probably pep talk to my employees, and as you rightly said, technology is also a part of this. And with this, I think we are every day focusing on doing a better things compared to yesterday, and that is our will and our passion to do better things, and this will continue across all the verticals. It is not only construction, but whatever we start in future or presently what other verticals we are doing, the fundamentals will remain the same, and we will focus more, and we will try to improve things. This is our basic things that we will have to do at Shilpa, and we are following it.